Liven app review. Pricing explained, what you get for your money. If you're new to Liven, most people get this wrong by thinking it's just another payment app. The surprising truth is that Liven rewards users for dining out and shopping, effectively offering cashback and discounts. But premium features and partner promotions may require higher spending to unlock full value. The app is free to download and use, with cashback rates ranging from 2% to 10% depending on participating merchants. Some promotions may offer bonus points or rewards for specific spending amounts, and points can be redeemed for discounts at future purchases. Premium memberships, if available, may cost per month, unlocking extra rewards and faster point accumulation. What you get: cashback on meals and purchases, rewards points, exclusive offers, and a convenient digital wallet. What you give up: limited merchant participation outside the network and the need to track points for maximum benefit. Here's how to maximize value. Step 1. Use Liven at partner restaurants to accumulate points. Step 2. Monitor app promotions for bonus rewards. Step 3. Redeem points strategically to save on larger purchases. Step 4. Evaluate premium membership only if you frequently use the app. You won't believe what happens next if you ignore expiry dates. Unused points can disappear. The surprising truth is that Liven pricing isn't just monetary. It's also about the time and engagement you invest to earn rewards. In conclusion, Liven app combines payment convenience with loyalty rewards. By understanding how cashback and points work, you can stretch your spending and get tangible benefits from every transaction.